how states really did in the fight against COVID in the last few years. And the data that we're going to put out right now is the 5 worst affected states by COVID, not currently, but overall, looking at the picture since the start of COVID to today. Which states reported the most number of COVID cases? Let's put that out for you. Beginning with Maharashtra, where in fact there were 81 lakh plus cases that were reported in the state. Then you had Karnataka with 40 lakh 71,000. Before that also, by the way, is Kerala. Then you have Tamil Nadu with 35 lakh plus cases, 35 lakh 94,328. Delhi with 20 lakh 7,102. So 5 states in all where maximum cases were reported. If we have Shibi Mole, I'd like to take this across to Shibi, who is reporting live from Thiruvananthapuram, because in a state like Kerala right now, the situation was very concerning. Initially, there was a lot of talk about the Kerala model, Shibi, and how they fought COVID. But then soon we saw that huge rise in cases. Right now, what's being done by the Vijayan government, by the Health Minister, Veena George?
Well, Akshita, yesterday a meeting was held under the leadership of Health Minister Veena George with the rapid response team yesterday evening to discuss the measures to activate the measures, preventive measures against COVID. In fact, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan yesterday the press meet said that we need to go back to the practices that we picked up during the first 3 waves of COVID, that is wearing masks as well as maintaining social distancing. Now, an official release has not come out whether the masks have been made mandatory, but Chief Minister has said that you need to pick up the practices that we were doing during the first 3 waves of COVID. Now, the Chief Minister has also said that if anybody is having symptoms like cold, throat infection or fever, should immediately consult a doctor and not ignore it. Now, here I am right now in Thiruvananthapuram's bus station, the city's bus station, and there's an unusual rush today considering it's a Christmas weekend also, and the people are in a urge to get home for the Christmas holidays. In fact, recently with the FIFA World Cup also, there was a lot of crowd coming together with screenings happening for most of the matches in various parts of Kerala. So there's this concern about people coming together in the recent past. So that's something that's been concerning the state, but Chief Minister as well as Health Minister said that one thing that's a plus point is right now the number of cases, the COVID cases reported in the state is very, very less. The hospital occupancy compared to the last 2 years has been the least right now, so there's nothing to worry, but people need to be careful. We're not seeing that right now because it's a state that picked up the habit of wearing masks compulsory for the longest time. But right now the scenes are like not everybody is wearing masks, but considering a proper announcement, they might pick up the habit.
Right now with what's happening, let's hope that people again become aware of the need to be cautious, especially with the holiday season, as in fact you had Shibi and several of our reporters showing us. You've got packed markets right now and nobody wearing masks. That's something we need to start off again.